that you are doing well. It's your girl Tia Bella, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some red nails, and I'm going to be doing the Femi Beauty Method. So I've already applied foil glue and base gel to my nail. I'm going to be using Makartt products, this glitter poly gel, and also this glitter gel polish, which is called Makeout, which is from the Hooked on Love collection. So to get started with my nails, I've already applied a primer to them, and now I'm just going to go in with a thin layer of base gel. Once I have applied the base gel to the entire nail, then I'm going to take my polygel brush and just put some of this glitter nude polygel onto the nail. I've seen persons actually go a long strip along the entire nail, and it's never been enough. Like, it's just too much in my honest opinion. So I just go about 60% of the way, and then I just take some isopropyl alcohol and just flatten the polygel over the entire nail, and I find that that is enough. Like, that really fits. Other times that I've put polygel, like, I've used so much, and then we only get like these 15 ml or 15 gram tubes, so I don't want to be wasting my products, especially this one. Like, it was a good amount of money that I spent to get this kit. So super excited and super happy as well, because this particular color is my favorite of the Femi Beauty. So anywho, we've now applied that to my nail, and then I've cured this under my UV lamp for around 30 to 45 seconds. So for my index finger, I'm going to apply some of these red hearts that came in the Hooked on Love collection. So I'm just going to pour this onto my little tray, and I only want the red hearts, even though there are some white hearts in here. I'm going in again with a thin layer of base gel, and then I'm going to take my rhinestone picker, just using the silicone head, and just apply some hearts to the center of this nail. Once I have the hearts in position, then I will flash cure them for around 10 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some polygel. So once I have the polygel patterned, if that is a word, into place, and I just apply that to my finger, and I cure this again under my UV lamp for around 30 to 45 seconds. So for my remaining 3 fingers, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on my thumb by applying a full coverage of the glitter nude polygel onto the entire nail, pat those into place, and just flash cure them for 10 seconds. When I'm done actually having all of the nails on, then I do flip my hand over and I put them back under my UV lamp to make sure the cure underneath the nail. Once those parts of my nail has been cured, I like to take my top coat and just apply a layer of top coat underneath my nail, just to avoid that sticky layer, because after I'm done, I'm going to start filing and buffing, and I don't want any of that dust to get stuck onto the base gel layer of the nail. So you take your 100-180 file, you file around your cuticle area, you file the top part of your nail, just removing that little tab, and then you're also going to take your buffer and remove that shine from the top surface of the nail. Okay, so here's how the nail is looking once I have filed and buffed and used my alcohol wipe to remove any excess dust. And now I'm going to go in with a layer of my Makartt base gel. Once I'm done, I cure this under my UV lamp, and then we are ready to put on any final touches of nail art or rhinestones, because I'm going to be using some rhinestones. Now I'm going to take this Makeout glitter gel polish again, and I am just going to try to create a beautiful smile line I think this is called extended or exaggerated smile line. I can't remember what it was, but it's not like where the usual French smile line is. It's a little bit further up. So I'm going to polish just the top part of that area first, and then I'm going to take my liner brush and kind of draw my lines and connect to the center. Also, I did do an unboxing of these liner brushes that I got from Vaga. Like, I just want to say, like, these look and feel inexpensive. They feel really cheap. So, in my mind, when I first got them, I wasn't sure that they were going to work really well. But what I can tell you is they work really well. Like, I feel like I have improved my smile line technique by having these liner brushes, and I have different sizes. So I try to just remind you, you can find them on Facebook, go to visit them. I'm not an affiliate. I just received these items to review, and I'm really happy that I got them. So I just thought I'd mention that. Okay, so I have these hearts that were from the Hooked and Love collection. So I'm just going to apply a few of these onto my thumb finger, and this design is done. So for my pinky finger, I'm going to do a French again, but this time I'm going to do like the separated French. I've done this design before, I think once, and I really like how it looks. It's just like a French, but except it's like in segments of it. So I'm going to take my gel polish again and just fill in the smile line area and fill in the tip area, and then I'm going to take my liner brush and just draw some lines in the center. Okay, so here is how that pinky is looking so far. It looks good. So now I am going to go in with some red glitter. I'm just going to use the same tray that I used earlier for those hearts, but I'm going to get this glitter that I got from Amazon, some fine red glitter, and I'm just going to pour some over the wet gel polish that I just put on. So I didn't cure this gel polish just yet. It's a little bit on the darker side, but it kind of matches the color that's on the rhinestone. So just gonna pour this on and then cure this under my UV lamp. So to design my ring finger, I'm just going to take that gel polish, make out again, and I'm going to draw some hearts using my medium length liner brush from Vaga. And then I'm going to pour some glitter over that again. And to finish this design, I'm going to take a few of the red heart rhinestones that I applied onto my thumb. I'm also going to apply them onto my ring finger as well. Alrighty, so here is the final look of these nails. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. I think they turned out okay. Definitely this glitter was everywhere, so it took a while for me to clean up that area, so you can still see some glitter is still there. But overall, the design I think was very simple and easy. Anyone can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.